This is my 1997 GMC Jimmy 4x4. I have to do front end linkages, pitman arm, tie rods, etc. So to do the pitman arm, I was looking at a lot of the videos on YouTube, and they're all correct on how to do it. But I really don't feel like making a mess tonight and disconnecting the intermediate shaft. What we have done is remove the 3 bolts that hold the steering box in. Okay, those are the 3 bolts. We removed them. I took the wheels, I took all the shields off underneath. Now, what I did, my son's my assistant, what we did is we just pushed the box up, and I got a 33mm socket, put it up here, it fit right on. I got the impact gun, I took the nut off, the nut came right off. Then after that, I got my traditional old Mac pitman arm puller. I fit it around over here. Trust me, it did fit around, okay? And then I used the 11/16 socket with the impact. I pulled it right off. Whether it's a hard way, an easy way, but it's a much cleaner way for me. And that's the way we did it. And then we just put everything back together.